Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect Wise account to Shopify. First, from your Shopify dashboard, click Settings at the bottom left, go to Payments, then scroll down to Manual Payments and select Add Manual Payment Method. Choose Bank Deposit from the options. Open your Wise account and go to your USD account details. Copy your routing number, account number, and bank name. Paste this information into Shopify under Payment Instructions. Write a short note like pay using Wise to the following bank details. Make sure everything is accurate. Don't share sensitive information publicly. Click Activate Bank Deposit and you're done. Customers can now pay via Wise. And that's it. That's how to connect Wise account to Shopify. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.